Anya arranges flowers into vases for seniors at a care home. If she uses 3 vases, 18 flowers are left over. If she uses 5 vases with 2 more flowers in each vase, they fit exactly. How many flowers are there altogether? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Watch out. This time, each vase holds a different amount in each plan. Let us draw both plans. Plan A uses 3 vases with some number of flowers in each, plus 18 left over. Plan B uses 5 vases with 2 more flowers in each vase, and fits exactly. Both plans use the same total flowers, but the vases are not the same size. What is different about each vase? Plan B's vases each hold 2 more flowers than Plan A's. We cannot compare the plans directly. The vase sizes do not match. Here is the new idea. Let us make the plans match first. Give Plan A's 3 vases the same plus 2 treatment. That takes 6 flowers out of the leftover pile. 2 flowers into each of 3 vases. Now the leftover pile drops from 18 to 12. And every vase in both plans holds the same amount. Now we use the leftover trick. With matched vases, 12 flowers are left over. Plan B has 2 more vases than Plan A. Divide. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Each matched vase holds 6 flowers. Now find the total. Plan B uses 5 vases. Each holds 6 flowers. 5 times 6 equals 30. The total is 30 flowers. This is the adjustment trick. When the group sizes are different in the 2 plans, match them first. Add the offset to the smaller plan. Then, the usual bridge works just like before. Difference divided by gap gives the per group amount. Excess, shortage, swing, difference, adjustment, same family, new disguise every time. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.